Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn standard 3 EVS subject. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 17, journey of a letter. In our previous video we learned about communication, means of communication and how postal system works. Okay, so today we are going to start with the next page. Let's see. Given below is the journey of a letter shown through pictures. The pictures are not in a sequence. Arrange these to get the correct sequence by putting number in the circles. So what we have to do, students? You can see here, students, pictures are not in a sequence. So we have to arrange them by putting numbers in this circle. You can see. We have to put the correct number in these circles. So let's see. First of all, what we will do if we want to write a letter to our family members, friends, what we do? First of all, we will write the letters, okay? So you can see, students, here. You can see in this picture, the girl, she is writing a letter, okay? So this is first number picture. So we are going to put here number 1. After writing a letter, what we'll do? We put that letter in a letter box. So you can see here, students, in this picture. She is putting a letter in a letter box. Okay. So this is number second picture. Okay. So we are going to putting here second number. After putting a letter in a letter box, postman come and takes that letters from that letter box. So you can see here, students, in this picture, you can see the old man is taking letters from letter box. Postman is postman who is taking letter from letter box. You can see. So this is our third number picture. We are going to putting here, right here, number 3. After that, postman takes that letter to the post office and there stamps put on the letters. So you can see in this picture. You can see in this picture. There is one man who is putting stamp on that letter. You can see. So this is our number 4 picture. So we are going to write here number 4. So after putting stamps, letters are sorted destination wise. So you can see here, students. All the letters which is for Ahmedabad packed in a big bag. So this is our 5th number picture. So we are going to write here number 5. Then after, in Ahmedabad, all the letters are being sorted area wise. So you can see in this picture. This lady who is sorting the letters by area wise. Okay. So this is our 6th number picture. We are going to write here number 6. You can see in this picture. Then postman is delivering the letter to the house. So it is the next picture in a sequence. So we are going to write here 7 number. Then after we get the letters, our family members get the letters. So you can see in this picture, this boy getting the letter and reading it. So this is our last picture. So we are going to write here number 8. So what is the process? First writing a letter, then putting it in a letter box, then postman comes and takes that letters, then stamping. After that, sorted by destination wise, packed in a big bag, then again sorted by area wise, then postman delivered postcard door to door. Okay, so this is the process. Now in the next page, Samira wrote a letter to Salman. Write a letter to your friend in the class. Don't forget to write your friend's name. Everyone has written a letter, but Where do we post it? Make a letter box for the class. Take an empty shoe box, paint it with red color or paste red paper on it. With the help of scissors, make a slit in the cover of the box. The slit should be big enough for letter to be put in. Now letter box is ready. Drop your letters in the letter box. Now wait to receive the letters written to you by your friends. One child will act as a postman. He or she will take out the letters from the letter box and distribute them to all the children. Did you enjoy reading your friend's letter? Just as you wrote a letter to your friend, in the same way your friends and relatives must also be sending letters to you. Bring some letters from home to school. See how many different types of letters are there. Okay students, so this is the activity based exercise. When you come to school, we complete this exercise. Okay, thank you.